Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So from the title, I'm sure you already know what we're going to be doing today. So let's just get right into the video. Then the first thing you're going to be doing is you're going to go on to settings. When you go on to settings, you scroll down to general, scroll down to iPhone storage, click on iPhone storage, and then it's going to take you down to this page. Why we're here is because you have to check out how many gig space you have left, okay, so that you'll be able to know what you're working with. Actually, this video is going to take like 3 to 5 minutes, which the rest of the 4 gig is definitely going to be enough for the video. So yeah, we don't have to delete stuff. So yes, right. And then the next thing you're going to do is still on settings. You're going to go search for camera. I'm gonna search for camera, and then yeah, go on to format. You have to make sure that your format is on high efficiency and not most compatible, right? High efficiency is the best, so you have to make sure that your camera capture is on high efficiency. And then the next thing is gonna be record video. All right, you have to make sure that this option is on 4K at 30 fps. all right, this is the maximum of the quality. This is best quality in iPhone 7, like very great. I think iPhone 8 and others have the same too. So 4K at 30 fps is the higher resolution. So yeah, you're gonna have to use that one. And then grid. This grid actually gives concentration. A bit makes your face to be highlighted, so that's why I like using it a lot. So you turn on your grid, and then mirror front photo, yeah, turned on also. Right, I think we are done for the settings. So the next thing you're going to do is to clean your camera back and front, because you're going to be using your back camera to do your filming, and that's not a problem. So the next thing you're gonna do is to move on to our camera. When you go onto camera, right, you click on this for a while. Remember to use your back camera to film. When you click on this, it's gonna show this AE/AF. Alright, so you're basically gonna play with this like anyhow you want to use it. Alright, just basically gonna play with this. This is actually gonna highlight your face when you're filming and highlight your background too when you're filming. So yeah, when you're done with this, when you set this to what you want, you're ready to press record, girl. You're ready to press record and record your videos. So yeah, that's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye.